Hey guys, Jefferson here, and we're talking about this. This is the Zupper Compact ProPress, model number PZ-2430. Before I show you this in action, I want to show you what comes included with this kit. You can either purchase the standard version, which has press jaws starting at 1/2 inch all the way to 2 inches, or their compact version, which is the one I have. This kit comes with a charger, power cable for the charger, a lanyard for added support, or you could just let it hang on your neck. It is a little heavy if you were to do that, so it's not practical for an all-day job. This kit also comes with 3 press jaws, 1/2 inch, 3/4, and 1 inch jaws. Pressing the jaws to open them up feels really sturdy and easy. Just be careful when you're using them as they're coated with oil, but it easily comes off with regular soap. This kit also comes with 2 18-volt 2-amp batteries, which has a built-in battery indicator to easily tell the battery level, and of course, the actual ProPress itself. This is my first automatic ProPress, the first being a manual version which sucked and did not work, from a different company. Using the automatic compact ProPress is a night and day difference when compared to my manual ProPress. Exchanging between the different jaws is easy and simple. This locking pin allows you to either rotate it in either direction to unlock and insert your desired jaws. The locking pin also will not unlock unless you have it rotated fully to the top, where it then allows you to pull it out. Once you properly secure the locking pin in place, the jaws feels properly secure. You can also rotate the head 180 degrees to easily position the tool for usage. Inserting any Viega fitting is really easy and straightforward. You just press on both ends of the jaws to open them and insert your fitting. Press the button and wait for it to do its job. It takes about 6 seconds for it to complete, and it automatically releases when done. Unlike my manual ProPress, I never had any issues with the fittings coming out of the jaws. These jaws can leave some sharp edges, but you can easily remove those sharp edges by rotating the jaws in the fitting. Here's an example of a fitting where I used the manual ProPress. It looks okay, but unfortunately, this leaked. When I used the Zupper ProPress on it, you can see it wasn't even close to properly securing this fitting, which is why it leaked. Here's an example comparing my manual ProPress versus this automatic ProPress. The manual ProPress requires me to open up the handles to properly wrap the jaws around the fitting, and it's a real struggle getting it in place due to how tight the space is. When you compare that with the automatic ProPress, it's a night and day difference. Look how much faster it is. I wasted a lot of money buying fittings when using my manual ProPress. The first time I thought it was because I didn't have proper leverage. So the second time I pressed them in place before putting them on the pipes. It still leaked. I ended up using shark bites to get my hot water back on while I waited for this automatic ProPress to come in. I ended up working on 3 ProPress fittings to ensure this worked before going back to the store and replacing the shark bites with ProPress. After about a week, I can honestly say there are no leaks, and it only took me 10 minutes, where my manual ProPress took me hours due to the limitations I had with the handles, versus this, opening the jaws. When you compare this with Milwaukee's ProPress or even Rigid's ProPress, you're saving a lot of money. I reached out to Zupper to ask them if they had an actuator similar to what Rigid had to appeal with more professionals. They did confirm they've already had it, but it's currently not available in the US market until later this year. I highly recommend this ProPress by Zupper. It's light, compact, and it works perfectly. I was nervous about getting this since there were not much reviews, but I'm glad I did. I hope you guys enjoyed my video, and see you next time.